Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. This is the EyeQue VisionCheck. It's a eye test for your smartphone. It's basically a little adapter with a small motorized lens in there that lets you use your high resolution phone display, which most phones today have pretty high resolution displays, as a eye testing instrument. It gives you an idea whether you should go to your eye doctor to get a new prescription or not. Basically, it's at-home vision testing, and of course it says smartphone and eyeglasses not included, of course. So that's what the box looks like. You can see here EyeQue. It's got an app for the App Store and for Google, so iOS and Android compatible. Tells you a little bit more in the back here. EyeQue at-home vision tests. Tells you how it works. You need the device, a phone, and a membership. And yeah, so there you go, 18s or older. It's like a toy. It tells you how old you have to be. Here is some information. Get instant results and store, review, share. Open here. So let's take a look, shall we? Ta-ta-da! Ooh, look at that. So it has a little thing here that says, 1 step, download the app. 2, charge your device. 3, set up your account. So that's the serial number for my device. And then here in the box are a few things. So I'm going to go through them with you all. We've got a little manual with clear instructions. See how it tells you how it works. And then we've got the actual device, which is pretty nice. And EyeQue VisionCheck. And suppose you take this off eventually. So that's one thing. Then you've got a chamois to clean things. A little cord. It's micro USB. Oh boy. I wish people would put USB-C on everything. Anyway, your micro USB to type A. USB cord. There's a little chamois. And then I don't know what this is. This is to measure the distance between your two pupils, hence the name. But I'm not sure what's in there, so let's have a look. Oh, okay, so it's basically a strange little pair of eyeglasses to help you measure your pupillary distance. So what else is in here? Oh, a strap. I wonder what that's for. Probably to tie the device to your phone. That's right, because it kind of attaches like this. This is where your phone goes. All right. Well, that's it for the box, folks. So not too much to talk about here. It's an unboxing. I will test this out and let you know how it works out. Hopefully it's helpful. I've been wearing glasses since I was a kid, and it's always nice to check to see if my sight is getting worse or better. This is not going to replace a visit to the doctor, but it will give you a clear idea of if things are getting worse or better. And I think as we're all spending more time at home right now in front of devices, staring at screens, that it's a good idea to check to make sure that you're taking the time off from your screen time to stay healthy. So speaking of which, please be safe and stay tuned for more content on the channel. I'll have another video soon. Please subscribe, like, tell your friends. Again, this is a mobile accessory, so it falls into Mobile Tech Podcast because, it's a device for your mobile phone. And please subscribe to the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. We're on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Cast, and Spotify, among other places. Tell your friends about the podcast as well, and we'll see you soon in another unboxing video. Cheers, everybody.